Welcome to the online classes. Today we are going to discuss about subject maths and then topic is number. Okay children, let's move to the next one. Greatest and smallest number. What is the greatest and smallest number? Children, you know the greatest and smallest number? Okay children, I will explain to you. First you have to write the digit. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Listen children, 0 is not valuable. So, largest number is 9 and then smallest number is 0. Okay children, let's move to the next one. You have to write first digit. And then you have to write greatest number. And then you have to write smallest numbers. Okay children, next one, first you have to write one digit. What is the greatest number? Already I told you greatest number is 9 and then smallest number is 0. Okay children, and then next one, 2 digit number. What is the 2 digit? 99. And then smallest number 0 and then 1. First you have to write 10 and then you have to write 0. And then next one, 3 digit. 999 and then 0, 0, 1. Okay children, next one you have to write 4 digit. 9,999 and then 3 zeros. You have to write 3 zeros and then 1. Okay children, this is a greatest and smallest number. I repeated once again. First you have to know greatest and smallest number. What is the greatest and smallest number? First you have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 0 is not valuable. So, greatest number is 9 and then smallest number is 0. Next children, you have to write, split the columns, digit, greatest numbers, smallest numbers. Next one, you have to write 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. What is the 1 digit greatest number? 9 and then smallest number 0 and then 2 digit 99, smallest numbers 1 and 0 and then 3 digit number 999 and then smallest 3 digit number 1 double zeros and then 4 digit number 9,999 and then smallest numbers 1 and 3 zeros. Okay children, this topic is over. Next topic is subtraction. What children? Subtraction. What is the subtraction children? Subtraction is the difference between only two numbers. The symbol of subtraction is minus. So, put the symbol is minus symbol. Okay children, and then next move to the next one. First I have to write question. smallest 3-digit number from greatest 5-digit number. Children, already I told you what is the smallest number and greatest number. In subtraction, first you have to write greatest number and after you have to write smallest number. Okay children, first we have to write greatest 5-digit number. And then smallest 3-digit number. What is the greatest 5-digit number? 9. You have to write 5 times in 9 and then smallest 3-digit number 0, 0 and then 1. Now let us subtract this sum. 9 minus 0, 9 and then 9 minus 0, 9 and then 9 minus 1, 8. இப்போ டபுள் 9 இந்த 9க்கு கீழே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எந்த நம்பர்ஸுமே இல்லை. ஸோ இந்த நம்பர்ஸ் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிடலாம்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கீழே அப்படியே எழுதிடலாம். Okay children, and then you have to put the commas. In this period, ones, tens, 100 is a 1 period and then 1000, 10,000 it's a 1 period. So each period you have to put the commas. So this sums was over. Move to the second sum. Smallest 5-digit number from greatest 7-digit number. First we have to write greatest 7-digit number. You have to write 7 times in 9. And then smallest 5-digit number. What is the smallest 5-digit number? 0, 0, 0, 0 and then 1. So 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 1, 8 and then இந்த ரெண்டு 9 என்ன ஆகிடும், கீழே நம்பர்ஸ் எதுவுமே இல்லாதனால இந்த ரெண்டு 9மே நம்மளுக்கு கீழே வந்துடும். So you have to put the commas. Ones, tens, 100 put the commas. 1000, 10,000 you have to put the commas. Lakh and 10 lakh. So we get the numbers answer from 99 lakhs. Sorry, 99 lakhs 89,999. Okay children, move to the third sum. First I will write the question. Smallest 4-digit number from greatest 8-digit number. Okay children, let's do the sum. First you have to write greatest 8-digit number. So greatest number is 9. So you have to write 8 times in 9. And then smallest 4-digit number. Zero, 0, 0 and then 1. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. And then 9 minus 1, 8. Otherwise, others numbers, நீங்கள் மற்ற நம்பர்ஸ்க்கு கீழே எந்த நம்பர்ஸுமே இல்லை, இந்த நம்பர்ஸ் கீழே எந்த நம்பர்ஸுமே இல்லை அப்படின்னும் போது நீங்கள் அந்த நம்பர் அப்படியே கீழே எழுதிடலாம். So you have to put the commas. Ones, tens, 100, insert the commas. 1000, 10,000, insert the commas. Lakhs and 10 lakhs, insert the commas. So we get the answer 9 crore 99 lakhs 98,999. Okay children, third sum is over. Okay children, move to the next topic. Read the following numbers by placing the commas at appropriate periods and write their names. Listen children, read the following numbers by placing the commas at appropriate periods and write their names. Children, இந்த ஹெட்டிங்கில் என்னென்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ஒரு பீரியட்ஸ் இருக்கும். நான் உனக்கு லாஸ்ட் பார்ட்டில் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் ஆல்ரெடி ஐ டோல்ட் யூ periods means ones, tens, 100 is a one period, 1000, 10,000 is a one period. First now I draw a one tabular column. Listen carefully children. Ones, tens, 100 is a one period, 1000 and then 10,000 is a one period, lakh, 10 lakh is a one period. Okay children, each period you have to insert the commas. So ones, tens, 100 you put the commas, 1000, 10,000 you have to put the commas, and then 1000, 10,000 you have to put the commas and then over. Okay children, listen this tabular column carefully. Okay, let's move to the sums. First sum. First you have to write the number 1 5 7 3 1 9 9 7. Okay children, and then first you have to write the above the numbers ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and then move to write their names. Okay children, we have to write their names. 1 crore 57 lakhs, and then 31,000, $997. Okay children, and then move to the second sum. One nine six four. First you have to write the number 3 4 1 9 6 4. Right above the numbers ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay children, next we have to write names. 3 lakhs, 41,000, 900, 64. So 3 lakhs. So this sum we get the answer 3 lakhs 41,964. Okay children, move to the third sum. Now I write the question. So first you have to write the numbers 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 7, 2. And then you have to write above the numbers ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay children, and then you have to write their names. 29 lakhs, 12,000, 900, 72. So we get the answer this sum 29 lakhs 12,972. Okay children, this sum was over. Okay children, next move to the topic multiplication. What is the multiplication? Okay children, let us start with the multiplication. We are going to know how to multiply by 2-digit number. இப்போ multiplier 2-digit number ஆல எப்படி பண்றது அப்படிங்கறத நாம இப்ப பார்க்கலாம். Okay children? First I will write the question 731 into 24. மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனோட மெயினான விஷயம் பார்த்தீங்கனாலே நீங்கள் வந்து நம்பர்ஸ் எழுதும் போது நிறைய ஸ்பேஸ் விட்டு எழுதும் போது தான் நம்பர்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு வந்து மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும் போதோ கேரி பண்ணும் போதோ ஆட் பண்ணும் போதோ உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், 731 into 24. First we have to start the multiply in ones place. நம்மளுக்கு இங்கே ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸ்ல இருந்து தான் ஒரு நம்பரையும் நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸ் இஸ் 4. ஸோ we have to start with 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 12 will be here and 1 carrying over. 4 sevens are 28, 28 plus 1, 29. Okay children, it's a step 1. And then step 2, and then step 2, you have to write the numbers and then put the symbol in multiply symbol. Okay children, and then start with the tens place. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 sevens are 14. In multiplication, in step 1 and step 2, you have to only add. So 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 9 plus 6, 15, and then 1 carrying, 2 plus 1, 3, and then 3 plus 4, 7, and then 1 here. So we have done multiplication. Okay children, next move to the second sum. 612 into 12. Same, you have to start with ones place. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. And then you have to put the multiplication symbol. 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 1 6 are 6. So 4 அப்படியே என்ன பண்ணிட்டோம்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கீழே அப்படியே வந்துடும். 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 plus 6, 7. Okay children, this sum was over. Okay ma, thank you students.